In this video I'll show you how to change your Instagram password. This should work on both iOS and Android, so if you want to change your Instagram password, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started right now. First, click on your account in the bottom right, then click on the top right corner, go to settings, go to security settings, and right here you see password. Click on that. It says email sent. Now close your Instagram, click on Gmail, and you should have an email. Click on the reset password, open it in, for me, Safari, but it can be different for you. Now do something like, I don't know, maybe this. So right here, and click on reset password, and as you can see, it's changed. If this helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I would appreciate that. Thanks.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.